Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we're diving into budget monitors for work and entertainment. Finding the right monitor can really boost your productivity and enjoyment. So let's get started. First, why a budget monitor? Maybe you're setting up a home office, need a second screen, or just looking for an affordable upgrade. They offer fantastic value, often with features once only found in expensive models. The key is knowing what to look for. For work, clarity, ergonomics, and productivity features are crucial. Resolution is key. Aim for at least 1080p Full HD for sharp text and images. If your budget allows, consider 1440p QHD for even more screen space and detail. This is helpful if you work with spreadsheets or code. Ergonomics are equally important. Look for adjustable height, tilt, and swivel. This helps you position the screen comfortably, reducing neck and eye strain. Many budget monitors include these adjustments. Consider blue light filters and flicker-free technology for eye fatigue. Connectivity is another aspect. Ensure the monitor has the ports you need, like HDMI, DisplayPort, and perhaps even USB-C for connecting to laptops. Now, for entertainment, requirements change. While resolution matters, refresh rate, response time, and panel type are also important. For gaming, a high refresh rate is key. Look for at least 75 Hz, but ideally, 144 Hz or higher. This results in smoother motion and a more responsive experience. Response time in milliseconds is how quickly pixels change color. A lower response time like 1 millisecond minimizes ghosting and blurring, crucial for fast games. Panel type also influences the visual experience. IPS panels offer excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles. VA panels provide high contrast, resulting in deeper blacks. TN panels are affordable but have narrower viewing angles. Consider built-in speakers. Look for monitors with adaptive sync technologies like FreeSync or G-Sync, reducing screen tearing and stuttering. So, how do you find the best budget monitor? Read reviews, compare specs, and consider your needs. What works for work might not be ideal for gaming. Websites like Artings and TechRadar offer in-depth reviews. Look at the price, features, and user reviews. In conclusion, budget monitors offer incredible value for both work and entertainment. Research is key. You can find the perfect monitor to boost productivity and enjoyment without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Hey everyone. Today, we're exploring budget monitoring, but with a twist. We're looking at managing finances for both work and entertainment. Money touches every part of our lives, so managing it is crucial. First, why is budget monitoring important? It's about control. Knowing where your money goes empowers you to make informed decisions. For work, this means resources for projects and avoiding overspending. For entertainment, it's about enjoying life without worrying about debt. Setting a budget allows you to allocate funds for things you enjoy without compromising financial stability. Now, let's look at setting up a budget. Track your income. Note all sources, like salary or freelance earnings. Next, list expenses. Categorize them to see where your money goes. Common categories include housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Once you have income and expenses, compare them. If expenses are higher, you need adjustments. This could mean cutting back or increasing income. For work, negotiate a higher salary or find cost-effective solutions. For entertainment, choose low-cost activities. Now, let's talk about tools and strategies. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and Personal Capital track spending, set budgets, and monitor progress. They provide spending insights. Spreadsheets are also great, offering flexibility. They allow you to tailor your budget. Find a system that works for you. Let's talk about examples. For work, as a freelancer, your budget includes software, marketing, and office supplies. Tracking these ensures you're not overspending. For entertainment, planning a vacation, you can set a budget for travel, activities, and dining. Stick to this budget to avoid debt. Reviewing your budget regularly is important. Review monthly or weekly, depending on needs. Look at spending, compare it to your budget, and identify adjustments needed. It's an ongoing process. Remember, budgeting is personal. Be patient, and don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. The most important thing is to start and adapt. By taking control of your finances, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!